It's because I don't work here.
So Brett, what gives? I'm busy, I'm working on my Nobel Prize, I got a lot of stuff to do, I got grants I'm tracking down. Every time I turn around, you guys are sending me things that are broken, I don't have the money, I don't have the resources. Last time I checked, that's what we paid you guys for, and I'm just getting really frustrated with, no one ever tells me how good I'm doing, but it seems like every time I see something from your team.
You know what? You're just listing off a lot of things that those are your problems, right? This is your laboratory, isn't it? I feel like we send you a detailed report. It lists all the regulations you need to follow. I really don't see what the disconnect is here. This is your lab. These are not my issues to come in and fix.
Did you get a chance to even finish what you were going to say?
Oh, I stopped listening to him about 2 seconds of the conversation.
I wasn't listening to him at all.
Dr. Bob Emery's come to the rescue as another EH&S staff member who's picked up a call, really, to address...
So probably this would be a voicemail, right? And so my response, I would immediately call back and say, Dr. Sterritt, can I actually come and meet with you? Please give me a time when it'd be convenient to you, and can I meet with you? And I would, prior to making the trip over there to meet Dr. Sterritt, I would take a few minutes to Google up, what does Dr. Sterritt do? Because it might be good to find out that, gosh darn it, he just got an award from NSF, or he might have just published a paper. And so imagine showing up, Dr. Sterritt, thank you so much for your call. Sorry for the problems. By the way, congratulations on that new NSF grant.
Oh, really?
Yeah, exactly. And by the way, I put on my cow shoes just for you to come over and visit. But anyhow, I'm sorry for the confusion. What I'd really like to do is figure out, my goal at the end of the day, and actually our collective goal here at the end of the day, is to help people go home as healthy and as safe they come in the door. That's it. That's my job. And so what I'd like to do is talk to you about how can I help you achieve that goal. And I realize there's some bureaucratic stuff, there's some things that go along, but what can we do to help you bring this thing in for a landing so you can go do important work?
Sure.
Sure. That sound okay?
That sounds great.
But
Let's
actually,
give
no, he'll actually
you
want to
another
ask
time.
about the shoes. It's actually,
Okay.
most of the conversation would then be about the shoes.
Oh, that's his shoes. Okay. Let's give them both a time.